Building a powerful PC in 2026 starts with choosing the right motherboard. Whether you're putting together a high-end gaming rig, a content creation workstation, or a future-ready performance PC, the motherboard determines everything from CPU compatibility and memory support to connectivity, storage, and upgrade potential. But with so many ATX motherboards available, finding the right balance of performance, features, reliability, and value can be challenging. That's why, in this video, we're counting down the 5 best ATX motherboards of 2026, comparing their performance, VRM power delivery, DDR5 support, PCIe connectivity, storage options, networking, and overall features. So, whether you're building a brand new PC or planning your next major upgrade, these are 5 ATX motherboards you definitely don't want to miss. Let's get started and find the perfect ATX motherboard for your next PC build. Start with number 5. GIGABYTE B550M K. Starting off our list is the GIGABYTE B550M K, a compact and budget-friendly motherboard designed for AMD's AM4 platform. It supports Ryzen 5000, 4000, and 3000 series processors, along with DDR4 memory, making it a practical choice for users building or upgrading an affordable AMD system. The motherboard also features PCIe 4.0 support and 2 M.2 slots, giving you fast storage options for your operating system, games, and applications. You also get USB 3.2 Gen 1 connectivity, Gigabit Ethernet, and QFlash for convenient BIOS updates. With its compact micro ATX design, the B550M K can fit comfortably into smaller PC builds while still offering the essential features most everyday users need. The GIGABYTE B550M K is a solid choice for a budget-conscious AM4 build, especially if you want modern storage support and straightforward functionality without spending too much. And number 4. MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi. Next up is the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi, a versatile micro ATX motherboard designed for AMD Ryzen processors on the AM4 platform. It supports Ryzen 5000 series processors and DDR4 memory, while PCIe 4.0 provides high-speed bandwidth for compatible graphics cards and storage devices. You also get SATA 6 gigabits per second and M.2 storage support, making it easy to build a fast and flexible system. One of its biggest advantages is built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, giving you convenient wireless connectivity without needing additional expansion cards. The board also includes USB 3.2 Gen 1, along with DSUB, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs for compatible setups. With its compact micro ATX design and practical feature set, the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi is a strong option for gamers and everyday PC builders who want reliable performance, fast storage, and built-in wireless connectivity. It's a well-rounded AM4 motherboard that delivers plenty of useful features while keeping the build compact and affordable. And number 3. MSI MAG X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. Moving up to a more advanced platform, we have the MSI MAG X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi, a feature-packed ATX motherboard built for AMD's latest AM5 processors. It supports Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, alloying with DDR5 memory, giving you a strong foundation for a modern high-performance PC. For next-generation storage and graphics, you get PCIe 5.0 support and a Gen 5 M.2 slot, allowing compatible SSDs to take advantage of extremely fast speeds. Connectivity is another major highlight. The board includes USB 40 gigabits per second, 5 gigabits per second LAN, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4, giving you fast wired and wireless networking options for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. You also get HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, plus SATA 6 gigabits per second connectivity for additional storage. The MSI MAG X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is an excellent choice for anyone building a powerful, future-ready AM5 system, combining modern CPU support, DDR5, PCIe 5.0, ultra-fast connectivity, and a robust ATX design. And number 2. GIGABYTE B550 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7. Next up is the GIGABYTE B550 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7, a powerful ATX motherboard designed for modern AMD M5 systems and high-performance PC builds. It supports AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, along with DDR5 memory, making it a strong foundation for gaming, content creation, and demanding applications. Its 14+2+2 power phase design is built to provide stable power delivery for compatible processors. For storage and expansion, you get 3 M.2 slots and PCIe 5.0 support, giving you plenty of room for fast next-generation components. Connectivity is also impressive, with USB-C, Wi-Fi 7, and 2.5 GB LAN providing fast wired and wireless networking. The board also features Easy Latch, making component installation and upgrades more convenient, while the 5-year warranty adds extra peace of mind. The GIGABYTE B550 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 is an excellent option for anyone building a feature-rich, future-ready AM5 PC, offering strong power delivery, fast storage, next-generation connectivity, and plenty of upgrade potential. And now, number 1. ASUS TUF Gaming B850 Plus Wi-Fi. And finally, we have the ASUS TUF Gaming B850 Plus Wi-Fi, a powerful ATX motherboard built for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a modern, upgrade-ready AM5 platform. It supports AMD Ryzen processors, DDR5 memory, and PCIe 5.0, giving you a strong foundation for high-performance gaming and demanding workloads. The 14+2+1 power stage design with 80A stages is built to provide stable power delivery for compatible processors. Storage is another highlight, with 3 M.2 slots for fast NVMe drives and plenty of room for expanding your game library and applications. For connectivity, you get Wi-Fi 7, 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, and high-speed USB 10 gigabits per second and 20 gigabits per second Type-C ports. The board also includes HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, along with BIOS flashback, making BIOS updates and system setup more convenient. Its AI-ready features add another layer of functionality for modern PC builds. The ASUS TUF Gaming B850 Plus Wi-Fi is a well-rounded choice for a powerful, future-ready gaming PC, combining strong power delivery, next-generation connectivity, fast storage, and excellent upgrade potential.